welcome to Ann Makes. Today we are going to be looking at how to make some very easy and cute fall decor. This is part 2. This is video number 2 in the fall DIY decor series. If you are new here, by the way, I am Ann. Welcome to Ann Makes. And if you are new, please remember to subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber friend. And you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And click on the bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I post one of these DIY videos or one of the many haul or product review videos that I do. So today in the second video of the fall DIY decor series, we're going to look at how I put together this wreath. Note that a lot of the products that I use in all these fall DIY decors were obtained from dollar stores, so they should be readily available. They are very inexpensive, and putting all of this together was very easy. So please enjoy the following video. I hope you enjoyed this video and saw how easy it was to put together one of these wreaths. And if you did enjoy this video, I would so appreciate if you would give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please remember to come back to see video number 3 for the third and final part in the mini series of DIY fall decor. Thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye!